So hello Excel users, today we're gonna cover 5 Excel add-ins like Draw, the IO add-ins, Wikipedia, Calendar or Show for layout in our Excel files from various sources directly in our Excel files. So let's get started. So the first add-in which we're gonna cover is Wikipedia. So first of all we will go to Insert tab, then click on Get Add-ins. We will click on Get Add-ins. On the top you will find the Wikipedia. We will click on Add, Continue. And the Wikipedia is loading. Now this is the Wikipedia. Whenever we are doing any work in MS Excel, so definitely we will come across few things where we need additional information. So here the first add-in which we gonna cover is Wikipedia. Here the things we're gonna search. Now here we have different sections like Overview, from different sections, History, Products and Services, Corporate Affairs, Notes, and here on this section of images we will get the images. If we want the images, we have to simply drag and drop into our Excel. See, so it is taking a bit time and it is loading. Alright, so the images are being loaded. So you can simply drag and drop any image from here simply by selecting the image and dragging the image in the Excel file. And if you don't want this, you can simply click on this close and this Wikipedia will disappear. And if you want again the same thing, then go to Wikipedia, then go to Get Add-ins, My Add-ins, click on this My Add-ins, and you can see that as I install this Wikipedia, it is available in My Add-ins, and if you want to search on the store, it is available over here on the stores. So this is the first add-ins which we have covered, that is Wikipedia. Now the second add-in which we gonna learn is Calendar and Date Picking. So we will click on Insert, go to Get Add-ins, and here we will write it down, Mini Calendar, and Date Picker. So it will automatically click on the first. We will get Mini Calendar and Date Picker. So we will click on Add, Continue, and as you can see, it is loading. Alright, so we have the calendar on our Excel sheet, so you can drag it down anywhere you want. You can get the date as well. So when I will click on this date, it will automatically comes over here, like whenever my cursor wherever I move my cursor, it will get the date on that cell. Like if my cursor is over here, I can simply click on over here and you will get the date. So if I want to change this date, then I will simply go on the calendar and it is saying overwrite contents. So yes, I want to overwrite. I will click on OK, and you can see the date is overwritten. Now I can go in the previous month, January, December, or in the succeeding month, March, April, May. Now here we have many options like toggle calendar size. I can change the calendar size as well. change calendar system, you can see the Saturday, Sunday are on the end. This is US calendar system where you can adjust the Saturday and Sunday as per your requirement. If you want them at the first of the calendar, you can click on this section like this button over here, and the Saturday, Sunday will switch automatically. Now toggle week number. Here when you will click on this 52, number 52, you will get the calendar number over here, week number over here. Now it is highlight range date. Select a range containing date. Alright, so suppose if I want to get the range selected like 5th of March, and I want this range to be selected in the calendar, so I will simply go on over here. I will select this, select a range containing date. Alright. So now you can see it has clicked over here, and you can close it down from here. You can drag show hide setting, and when you will scroll it down, it will show the details which is not useful to us. You can simply select it and press delete, and it will automatically delete the calendar. When I will click on the new one, it will not appear on the new sheet. I have to simply go to get add-ins and then click on my add-ins, and you can see that Milli calendar is installed, and I will double click on it, and it will appear on my new sheet as well. Now the third add-in which we will cover is add symbol. We will click on insert, get add-ins, and then we will search all symbols. When I will click on enter, it is searching, and you can see that symbol and character fast symbol lookup is here, and currency symbol is also here. So we can also install this currency symbol, but we will select this one. Click on continue, and you can see that this adding is loading over here, and a message will appear over here. Now here it is symbol and character, it is loading. Now you can see that there are many currency symbols over here: miscellaneous, fractions, circles, maths, currency, arrow, German, emotions. So you can click on any of the emotion you want on your Excel sheet, and it will work like this. Here we have the language option, in which you can select multiple languages as per your requirement. Like if I select Turkey, you can select these symbols. You can select any symbol and just click on it, and that will appear in the Excel file like this. Now we will go on subset. Now what is this subset? Select subset is Bengali, Basic Latin, arrows, box drawing, you can select. There are many multiple options available. Which you can select. So this is the add symbol, all symbols, which is the third add-ins. So the fourth add-ins in our list is draw.io. So we will go to insert tab, click on get add-ins. We will write over here draw.io and then press enter. The first option is here, draw.io. These are the diagrams, so I will click on add, continue, and it is loading add-ins. So you can click on this pick OneDrive file and you will get draw.io's diagrams. So you have to log in and then you will get various graphs and charts. So the last add-in which we're gonna talk about is stock calculator. Now we will click on insert, go to add-ins, get add-ins. Here we will write stock and you can see the add-in is stock connector. I will click on add, continue. Add-in is being loaded, loading add-ins. Now suppose I want share price of Adani, Tesla, Reliance, and here in this sheet I am doing my rest of the other work, and on the top I want this share price reflected while I am working. So simply I have to select that cell where I want the share price. I will write it down Adani, then I will click on connect. You can see Adani Total Gas Limited, Adani Enterprises, Adani Green Energy. I will click any one of them. So it's being loading. Sorry for the delay. Adani Green. Alright, I want the Adani Green price. Choose a cell to connect the Adani Green Energy code. I want the share price to be reflected in B2. I will click on OK. Now you can see the share price of Adani has come 801.75 and you can see it has reduced to 4.92%, and you can select the refresh every 10 seconds. You can increase it as per your requirement by 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes as per your requirement. Now I want the price of Tesla in this cell, so I will write Tesla. Tesla US. I want the price in this cell Tesla 199.72, and here you can see it has gained by 1.48%. Now here I want the price of Reliance, so I will select Reliance. I will click on connect. Reliance Industry, and the share price is here 2351.8 and it is saying 1.99% upgrade. So this stock connector is very useful while you are working. It will automatically give you the share price as and when you want.